Hey y'all, happy Monday. So I think this is the first time I vlogged today, but this is a continuation of the weekend vlog, y'all. So it's Monday, went to work today, and it was a pretty good day at work overall, you guys. One of the doctors is out of the office this week, so it was a little bit less busy, which was kind of nice. But yeah, y'all, I got a couple packages in. I ended up getting like a random Amazon gift card, so I've been just ordering stuff with that. Y'all already know how it is. So ordered a couple Amazon packages, and I'm gonna unbox those with y'all. I'm currently running a bath, so in a second I'm gonna have to go and turn the water off. So the first thing I got is this sticky grippy thing. This is like what the girls are putting on their phones to help their phone like adhere to the anywhere basically, but like in the bathroom to get all the angles and stuff. So I got this mainly for like vlogging and TikToks in different angles, especially like in the bathroom. You know, like I can stick you guys wherever. Like I could just stick y'all wherever, and it's like the suction thing, and it just sticks on the back of my phone like that. So I got that. They also have like the phone cases that you can do, like some people get. You just put it in the thing. Next thing I got is something I've been needing, which is a portable Apple Watch charger, because I only have my little big thing, and I never, like, if I take my watch anywhere, it's dead. Like, I got a Series 1, so the battery does not last over a day. Like, I cannot play. But y'all, it's pink. Y'all already know. Like, look how cute that is. And it's super duper small. So it literally can plug into even the thing in my car, my laptop, and I just set my Apple Watch on this. This was like $8. I'll link it down below for you guys, or you could just search portable Apple Watch charger and they'll come up. And then lastly, y'all know I'm on my nail shop kit. So I got this dip powder kit because I really want to wear my real nails, and these have really good reviews. Hold on, y'all. So this kit was $20, and it just comes with everything in there, and it comes with like, how many colors? Is it 21? I don't know. I'm finna show you guys. But this had really good reviews. Comes with everything that you need. And yeah, I've been wanting to do my real nails because my real nails are like really, really strong. Somebody asked me in one of the comments, and I was gonna do this in the Q&A, but since it's relevant, I'll talk about it now. My real nails are very strong and stuff for my press-on. When I wear press-ons, like, it does not damage my nails. What I will say is sometimes, like, if you're gonna change them often, I would recommend soaking than just ripping them off, because that's just not good, that friction, especially when you just glue them on. But this is a little system, y'all. It's cute. It got everything in it. Has a little brush. It has the buffer wheel. I love this one. It's good, and it's small. Cuticle pusher and whatever this other nail tool is called. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. And then it comes with the dip, the activator and base, so step 1 and 2. And then the top coat, and then they always have a brush saver. Just in case, you know, you get a little powder on there. Then these are the colors, y'all. The colors were like really what drew me. So they got a red, but a lot of them are glitter. So they got purple. These are so cute. Oh man, they're like silver. All different kind of colors. Okay. I think I might be doing this color. It is like the prettiest blue. I think we might be going with this color, like it's real different, but I've been wanting blue. Got this red, this shimmery black, silver. So anyways, you guys, that's the kit. Those are the 3 packages that I got. So I'll link this down below as well if you guys are interested in trying to, if you guys do your own nails. Honestly, every Tuesday, y'all. It's almost 5:30. I am just leaving Dairy Queen. Graham wanted me to pick her up a strawberry malt on my way home. Literally, she caught me walking out of work, so I was like, yeah, I'll stop and get you one. So got that, y'all. It is a super nice day out today. It's literally 83 degrees, and I should go on a walk, but we definitely need to do some sort of a workout today. We have some studying to do. I have put on, you guys know we're studying and preparing for the T's. We have like a little bit less than 2 weeks, so this week is just like really grind, really like study grind time, and like next week will be like practice questions and reviewing and repetition to really help me like just be as refreshed as possible. So I ended up making this cute little diagram. What I did was, you guys know we have like the different body systems, so I went through and found like my own pictures like that I liked of the anatomy, so I can have a good idea of it. The book that I have is a good book, and it has it in there, it has a lot of this stuff, but visually, like especially when it comes to like the heart and when it comes to the heart and like certain parts of the body, it's just easier to visualize it in color. So I wanted to get some color printout, so I just kind of made my own little one at work to kind of get me a basic structure, and it is front and back. And then I'll just go through as I'm studying tonight and kind of add in like my super important notes, big things I need to like really make sure I'm remembering, so that, you know, when I go through it, I kind of know. So I'll show you guys that. I want to incorporate more of showing you guys, you know, what I'm doing like with school and prepping and showing my journey, because I feel like there's a lot of you guys, more than I could have ever thought, that actually like look forward and get inspiration and motivation. And you know, everybody doesn't have a super traditional route to nursing. So y'all, my skin, this period is just not, it's not liking my skin right now. So yeah, we're gonna have to do some serious trying to skincare stuff. But I did my first, this is how my nails turned out. I don't know if I showed you guys, but honestly, I'm kind of obsessed. I love the color. It's a really pretty different blue, and it's glittery. But what I liked about this set, I've tried, this is my second dip powder kit that I've tried on my own, and this one I definitely like more. It was so easy. It came with everything, the brush, the file, everything was easy. I didn't even have to use my electric drill, because their little filing thing system really worked really well on my nails. So yeah, I did a really good job. I was really shocked by how easy it was to use, how the products like lasted. I also like that the bottles of like the polish and stuff like that you need to actually adhere the powder, I like the fact that the bottles were bigger than the first system that I got. For 20 bucks, all the colors I got, I think I got like 12 or 16 colors, everything I need. Like, definitely worth it. Like, I wouldn't even pay $20 if I went and got this done. I'd be paying at least 50-60 bucks to get a dip powder manicure. Okay, so very pleased, very satisfied. And yeah, now we're at the gas station. I'm gonna run in here really quick and grab some water and some study snacks, and that's gonna be that. Y'all, so it is later on. It's like, I don't know what time it is. I don't know, maybe like 6 o'clock. No, it's like 7 o'clock right now. And I'm about to actually study. I'm about to go in the living room and actually study. I'm about to warm up the rest of my coffee from this morning, because I make like a full pot every morning, but I normally don't drink it all. And I don't even bring it to work with me, which I need to start doing, because I'm just wasting that coffee. But sometimes my grandma will drink it, but I'm about to make me some right now just to give me like a little boost of energy. I don't know what I want to have for dinner, so I'm trying to think about that. I need to figure out what I'm going to eat for dinner. And then I want to do some studying. So I got all of my stuff out there. I want to do it out of my room tonight because I was studying in bed last night and it just wasn't, I got tired really quickly because I'm studying the science portion for my TEAS exam, and it's a lot of information. And you guys know I've taken, or maybe you don't know, because I actually have a lot of new subscribers, a lot of new followers, and I've really been thinking about doing like a video, like just talking about my nursing journey and everything like that, because I just view everything so differently. Like I used to be so embarrassed, and now I'm just not in that mindset anymore. I'm not in that spirit anymore. And yeah, I'm willing to share my story because the reality is everybody's situation is not traditional when it comes to being a nurse. And I truly, y'all, gave up on my nursing, my passion to be a nurse, my dream to be a nurse. Like I wanted to, once I knew I wanted to be a nurse, I was committed to that, and I let somebody talk me out of it. I didn't even pursue it. I didn't look into any other options, and I gave up because I didn't see the how. I didn't see it happening. And at that time, I was very much so limited. I mean, even up until like really recently, I've been thinking in this very limited mindset. To me, I felt like I was being logical, but to everybody else, it was being negative. To the world, it was being negative, you know. And I just have really learned, you know, that it's not about the how. It's like having faith. As long as I have faith, I don't need to worry about how it's going to work itself out. So now I'm in a situation where it's like, I know now, like going to nursing school, I'm going to go to nursing school. I'm not worried about how I'm going to pay for it. I'm not worried about, of course, I have a plan. I'm looking for options. I'm applying to scholarships. You know, I'm saving money, of course, you know, because things cost. But I'm not looking at it from the standpoint of, if it doesn't make sense and I don't have it right here, I'm not even going to try, because when that's the case, you waste so much time. And I wasted so much time. But the reality is, you know, I wouldn't have been ready. I feel like now I'm in a really good place in my life where I can go to nursing school and I can devote that. I devote my life to nursing school. I don't have any distractions. I don't have anything holding me back. You know, if I want to, I can go to nursing school and, you know, stay home. Like, I can put all my attention. If I need to not be able to work full time, like I don't necessarily have to, you know, depending on how things all work out, of course. But I just feel like everything kind of worked out and happened for a reason. And everything's just working out. Of course, everything's not like streamlined, but I just truly believe in my heart that I'm going to be starting nursing school this year in a couple of months, and I'm going to get accepted into this program. And I just truly believe it in my heart, and I get so excited and like almost choked up thinking about it, because it's like I gave up like for years and I didn't think I was going to get here, and I didn't want to, you know, go back to school for 3 years, and I didn't want to try this and I didn't want to do that. Now I'm just so grateful. Like I will do whatever. I'm ready for whatever to make sure that I become and be a nurse and set myself up for success. You know, I just know that that's my passion, that's my calling, and nothing else satisfies me in that way. And I know that it's for me. The route has been a little bit tricky, I guess you could say. I was getting really choked up, y'all, but I just really believe it's my time. And I'm just so happy to be in this place in my life. Like a year later, I have grown so much. And I'm growing. And it feels really good to leave a lot of things in the past. Y'all, I really need a new phone. Like my phone is dying out, and I still have the iPhone 11, y'all. I know that's crazy, but I actually need to get a new one because it's like dying out. I don't know what's going on. I was just legit talking to y'all for 15 minutes, and I really hope that it's kept the footage, because I'm going to be very genuinely upset, because I don't want to repeat that. It was, you know, like, I'm not I will refilm something, but it never comes out like it was the first time. I'm just going to tell you that. This pimple on my chin is really pissing me off. Time of the month is kicking my skins behind this month, y'all. So I'm sorry that y'all have to bear witness to that, but it is what it is. Now, back to hopefully what I was saying, because I really don't know. Let me see. I gotta go. I think it recorded, y'all. I really don't know. But basically, I was just telling you guys that I feel like the route for me and what I want is to get my LPN first, because for me, I'd rather make the sacrifice of that year, even if especially if I do decide to stay home instead of moving out, if I get into nursing school, as opposed to sacrificing for 3 years until I finish my RN. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like it's a smarter move for me, and becoming an LPN will really set me up in a good place as a single woman with no kids and stuff like that. So yeah, that's exciting. I'm just excited again. Like, I know it's gonna happen, and I'm just happy that I got my spark and my passion back. And I just let go of doubt, because it's my time. I'm going to be a nurse. Nurse Deonna, you might as well just get ready, because, yeah, that's that. But, yeah, so that's my plan. That's what we got coming up, going on. So stay tuned in the next couple of weeks. We should be hearing, well, of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated on when I take the TEAS exam, when we apply for the program. If we get accepted, all that, you know, I truly believe it's gonna happen, and it's all been working itself out so far. So yeah, y'all, that's that. I'm running my mouth as usual, but I'm about to go and figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner and study. Also, y'all, I wanted to update you guys on this freaking Olipop, because I'm about to clean my room up too. I do not like this one, you guys, at all. This is the ginger lemon. I thought this was gonna be super good. I did not like it at all. Like, I couldn't even finish it. And I think I don't really like the Olipops, you guys. I feel like it's not enough carbonation in it for me, like, for this to be what it is. Like, it was very much so not good. I didn't like it. Wouldn't recommend this flavor. But that's the first flavor that I've tried. So I am a huge poppy ginger lime fan. You guys know this is my jam. Literally, I wish they sold it in the 4-pack, but that's my favorite kind. So yeah, and I like the Doc Pop as well, but that one I buy every time I see it. So that's my favorite one. So let me know which ones you guys like. There's a lemon lime Olipop I want to try. Let me know which ones you guys like. So anyway, I'm about to go study for a little bit, at least an hour. And yeah, that's that. So I will see you guys a little bit later.